costly, my bitch so bossy. I bought my money, I so saucy, I so costly, my bitch so bossy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Jada Ray, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial slash review on this hair. It's called Cynosure Hair. Cynosure. I have all the details, but I don't know how to pronounce it. But yes, I got a 13x6 deep wave frontal, and this is the inch 22. And the lace is also transparent. So yeah, first I'm going to be spraying my Got To Be gel on my flyaways, because when you bleach you don't want it to leak through onto your edges, so you just comb them out the way. And I'm gonna be using 40 volume developer BW2 powder, and when you're doing this you want it to be a thick, like, kind of paste. You don't want it to be runny because it'll leak through and get on your knots or on your edges or whatever. You just don't want it to bleach the hair. So yeah, y'all just watch me bleach my knot. So y'all, after I got done with that, I of course washed it out with conditioner, and now I'm using my mousse, and I'm gonna put it on the front of my hair and just comb all the flyaways out the way, or my edges. And now we're gonna get into plucking. Yes, ma'am. Why am I all okay? My boyfriend is just in the bag. He always in the camera this whole video, y'all. So please get used to him, or not. I don't know, cause I'm not. um. Yeah. So I'm placing my wig where it needs to go, and we're gonna part our edges, and we're gonna start plucking. I like parting my edges. Well, this wig came almost like pre-plucked, so I just used their edges and like what they use as edges, and like pluck behind their edges, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so I braided that up, and yeah, I'm going to be, after I get done with that braiding it, I'm going to start plucking. And when I pluck, I like to, like, please don't be heavy-handed when you pluck, because I promise you you'll have a bald spot. I had plenty of bald spots. So, before. Please be careful when you're, it looks like I'm being heavy-handed, but I'm not. Like, I'm really not. And, yeah, I just pluck until I see, like, where it needs to be. Like, you just have to have an eye for it. Like, you can't just, I don't know how to explain it, but you just pluck until you feel like that's the hairline you want, if you know what I mean. Like, don't overdo it, please, because you will have bald spots. So yeah, I just pluck until I see, like, progress. I guess that's what you can say. Like, I look at the other side and I look at my side and I'm like, yeah, that almost looks natural. So you just pluck until you feel like what's natural to you. So yeah, you can just watch me do this, and I'll be back. y'all. So today I went to go get this brush. Like I usually get this brush, well these type of brushes all the time when I have curly hair. So yeah, I'm dipping it in this water because I don't have a spray bottle, of course. And yeah, I'm just gonna be combing out what I plucked, brushing out what I plucked, whatever. And I'll be back, y'all, when I get ready to put it on. And also, make sure that your frontal or your wig is wet when you pluck it. You don't want to pluck a wig dry. Like, that's just like, you're not going to see what you're doing. Like, it's just easier when it's wet. So, yeah, I'm going to finish plucking and I'll be back when I get ready to put it on. So yeah, I already had my wig cap on, and yeah, I'm just gonna be fitting the wig to my head, and I'm gonna be cutting the ear tabs off. And yeah, you really want to be careful when you do that. Just don't do it too fast, girl, or you will be then cut the damn lace too far up, and now you're looking crazy with the side out. But yeah, I'm gonna finish cutting the ear tabs off, and then I'm gonna be using Got to Be spray, and we're gonna be spraying that. I try to stay away from glue, cause I'm trying to save my edges, y'all. I can't be doing that glue. So yeah, we're just gonna be using Got to Be spray, and I blow dry mine on heat. I don't do cold. I don't know why people say blow dry on cold. Like I don't do that. It's heat. And I'll be back when I get ready to like put my scarf on and stuff. So yeah, after I'm done spraying it down and blow drying it, I put my scarf on, and I was gonna do a makeup tutorial for you guys, but my camera had died. Well, was dying, so I decided to do my makeup off camera. But I will have like a get ready with me coming soon, real soon. So I let my lace melt, and now I'm gonna be combing it out because it got a little crunchy with that edge control, y'all. But it's all good. I'm gonna be using this wax stick that I got and it's gonna make it all better when I hot comb it, so it's all good. So yes, first we're gonna get into these baby hairs or not. Girl, I didn't even know the lace was still on. Y'all can't tell me my shit ain't laid because I didn't even know that was still on. So first we're gonna be using the eyebrow razor, and I'm gonna like do this like jagged line that I do. I don't like using scissors because it's hard. Just cutting it, for me it is anyway. So I just use eyebrow razor and I cut my lace off. And after we do that, we're gonna get into these baby hairs. Period. So now I'm be using my powder, and I'm be going in and filling in my lace boo on the edges. And when I do my edges, I'm gonna be using the same thing you saw me put on the hair earlier from She's Bomb collection. And we're gonna lay these baby hairs, y'all. It didn't take me, well, it kind of took me a while. I'm not gonna even lie, to get these like really slayed. So y'all can just watch me do what I do, and I'll be back before this video end. So after I got done laying my baby hairs, I went ahead and put on my scarf. And I'm going to be using the wax stick, my wax stick I showed you guys earlier, and my hot comb. And I'm going to be laying everything down. And I honestly didn't know if I wanted to do like a all like back look, like a wet look kind of thing. I honestly wanted to, but a middle part was just calling my name. When I had pushed the hair over, I was like, oh yeah, I want a middle part. So yeah, I went ahead and gave myself a middle part, and I plucked the middle part. And after I got done with that, I just sprayed some olive oil sheen on there. So yeah, y'all, I'm basically done. And I laid this wig, y'all. I love it. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. And I'll be back with more videos. Bye, guys.